Never let a power outage catch you off guard again. My followers cannot stop thanking me for this find. This beast runs on gas, propane or natural gas. It is ready to go with hoses right in the box. Start the engine with a simple flip of a switch. Track vital stats with its handy LED sensor. Feel safe with the 3-year warranty and support. Enjoy powerful energy in any adventure you take. Engine oil is even included for quick setup. Grab yours now and say goodbye to power woes. You can buy it right now via the link in the description or in my comments to the video.